Connecting to Dexes using the CLV wallet. Prioritizing users' experience, the robust architecture of the CLV wallet offers secure storage for your cryptocurrency assets. It also paves the way for effortless integration with numerous decentralized exchanges, popularly known as Dexes, thereby ensuring a seamless trading experience. For those new to the world of crypto, Dexes are platforms that operate without a central authority. This means that trades occur directly between users, rather than through an intermediary or third party. It's like having a peer-to-peer marketplace for your digital assets. Not only does this provide users with greater control over their trades, but it often leads to faster transactions and reduced fees. The CLV wallet's integration with these Dexes ensures that users can tap into this decentralized ecosystem effortlessly, maximizing both security and efficiency in their trading activities. Now, let's connect to a DEX with just a few clicks using the CLV wallet. Open your wallet, or head over to your App Store if you haven't downloaded the CLV wallet yet. Click on the browser icon at the bottom of your screen, then search for your preferred DEX. Finish up by tapping on the Connect Wallet button. Armed with the CLV wallet, your gateway to the decentralized world is now wide open. Step in and embrace the next chapter of digital trading.